JoAnn, Wendy from Sweet Treats.
I'm Eric from Sweet Treats.
We just opened a cannery here in Springfield.
We make homemade pie fillings and jellies and jams and sweet desserts. We go to all of the U-Pick farms from Florida to Virginia, and we pick everything fresh and bring it back here for her to do her magic.
We have cowboy candy, which is a bread and butter pickled jalapeno. We have pie fillings that are in a jar, which are so easy because you just pour them into a pie crust and call it your own. We have 32 varieties available throughout the year as things become in season.
We have pickles, we have salsa, pepper jellies, barbecue sauces, honey, ice cream toppers, and a whole bunch of sweet treats.
I just feel very blessed for being in the community of Springfield. I think I speak for both of us when I say that. It's been very welcoming and very family oriented, and it's been really great to get to know everyone that's come and stopped by and shown your support. It's been really amazing ride, and I can't wait to do more in our community and see where it goes. I'm very excited.
All right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
After 3, not before.